right, guys, I have 4 minutes to give you guys a room tour, so let's see how fast I can do this. So we are on board, me, solo traveling, Carnival Firenze, going out of Long Beach, California, which I'm an East Coast girly, so this has been quite a ride when it comes to the time change. But anyways, I am in room 5-3. I'm in this room, and it's actually an accessible room, so it's a modified room. I didn't need it, but it was like they pick your room for you, and I guess this is the one that they had. So I'm going to show this to you. Just keep in mind that this might look a little bit different if you're trying to get an interior room here on board the Firenze, but it actually is a really nice room. I can't speak to how well it is for people who have accessibility needs, but it was great for me, so let me show it to you. So first things first, when you walk into this nice spacious room. You have an awesome little desk area, and then this almost like little nook area where you can keep your trash, a little footstool. There's the desk, the TV. This has a really great mirror that lights up, which is perfect. Ignore my shirt. Sorry guys, I'm like trying to rush here. It does have the 120 volt. It also has the 220 volt and USBs. So it does not have USB-C, unfortunately, but that is what it is. And then when you come down here, it has, of course, the fridge. Oh, I need that. Our chiller, as they call it. There is a little hair dryer and just a little space. I don't know if this opens. I never tried. That does not open. Good to know. Okay. All right. So what's nice is it does have a chair with a back, which is awesome. Okay. Then you come over here. This is the upper lower configuration. Not a fan. I'm not a fan. I don't like it. Let me show you why. So if it's just you still have this like thing jets out from the bed. So somebody like me is just constantly hitting their head, because as you can see, there's not much space between here. So there's a couple times that I hit that corner, which was not enjoyable. But when it's down, it's actually not bad. It feels like you're in like a little coffin or a little cocoon. Like it feels kind of, I don't know, if you like smaller, tight spaces, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. The bed was okay. You know, not the best, not the worst. I've had way different, you know, in terms of like unenjoyable before. So not a bad bed. A little bit small, but honestly I'm 5'7" and I fit perfectly. So it might be a little bit of a challenge for somebody who's taller, but honestly these are probably the same size beds that they just put together to make a king bed. Then you have a little side table right here. You have your TV and a little like, I don't know, what is this, coffee table situation. I love, well, I don't like looking at it, but I love this full-length mirror situation we have going on. This is a nice little lamp for bedside, which is perfect. Then you come in here and you have your closet. So you have one nice full size with an additional mirror, and then this does not go up. So you have this space and this space, but nothing for a long dress, which I was actually really surprised by. So if you have long dresses, you'll kind of have to fold them up, unfortunately. They did come with hangers. I had to take them down because we are in the back of the ship and they swayed all night. They were driving me insane. Hold on, almost done. Sorry. And then you have your safe here, your drawers, not soft clothes, but that's okay. All right, I think I got everything. All right, there you go.
Guys, coming to you from the future, I quickly realized that I only did B-roll and never actually did a tour of the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. It's a really large ADA bathroom. It was great for me. Loved it. Now back to the video.
It was a great ship. I actually really enjoyed it. Highly recommend. Next time I definitely think that I would get like a window or a balcony. But I always say that and then I always end up in the interior. So whatever. Okay, all right, gotta go, bye. Dang, went 1 minute over. My bad. Also, he's the best.
There you go, guys. There was my tour of the Carnival Firenze interior ADA room. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed, who's liked, who's commented. You guys are incredible. And until tomorrow, happy Vlogmas.